This hydraulic press video was created with AI in under 2 minutes, completely for free. These videos are going viral every single day, and creators are earning a serious amount of money just by uploading them. And the crazy part? Many of these channels are pulling over millions of views on simple AI-generated content without showing their face even once. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these and potentially build a channel that actually makes money. So don't skip. First, copy the master prompt from the description below and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly provide you 15 viral hydraulic press ideas. Now just enter the number of the object you want to use, and then enter your channel or page name as branding. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will give you one image prompt and one video prompt for the scene. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Click on Image, choose your desired settings, and paste the prompt in. Hit enter, and Google Flow will generate a perfectly structured image for your scene. When your image is ready, click on the video option and choose your desired settings. Choose that image as the start frame only, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it in. Hit enter, and Google Flow will generate an ultra-realistic hydraulic press video for you. The details and branding look so real that it genuinely helps your channel get monetized faster. That is the entire process. 2 tools, 2 prompts, 1 viral video. In under 2 minutes. The master prompt is in the description, completely free. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.